Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin using Coinbase. First, you'll need to create an account. Visit the Coinbase website or download their app, then sign up with your email address and a strong password. After that, you'll verify your identity by providing some personal information, which is a standard security measure. Finally, link a payment method, such as your bank account or a debit card, to fund your purchases easily. Once your account is set up and verified, you can deposit funds. Simply choose your linked payment method and transfer the desired amount into your Coinbase account. Next, head over to the Buy/Sell section, which is usually prominent on the main dashboard. Here, you'll select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies and then specify how much you want to buy, either in currency or Bitcoin units. Before finalizing your purchase, Coinbase will present you with an order review screen. This is where you can double-check all the details, including the amount of Bitcoin, the current price, any associated fees, and the total cost. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. Your new Bitcoin will then be processed and promptly appear in your Coinbase wallet, ready for you to manage. After buying Bitcoin, security is paramount. We highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account for an extra layer of protection. For long-term storage, many users consider transferring their Bitcoin to a personal hardware wallet, which offers superior security against online threats. Remember, keeping your digital assets safe is crucial. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to enhance your everyday comfort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.